Hello guys, from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be so fun, like you saw in the title. Take a look guys, we made the pizza dough. I don't even know how to describe this. You can see, yes, it's possible to make a super clear pizza dough. I don't wanna break it because just 1, 2, 3 ingredients to make a transparent pizza dough. Yes, but the real name is crystal bread. Super light. This is perfect to shock the people, to shock your customer, to shock your family. It's insane. Go ahead and let's start everything from the beginning. Let's go! This is gonna be a super simple video, but you need to follow the steps. Today we are going to make, like I say on the title, the pizza dough super clear. So we are not gonna have the pizza dough, but we are going to have the pizza dough. You just need 650 grams of water, 20 grams of potato starch, and 20 grams of KUZU. KUZU you can find it simply on Amazon. Amazon today have everything. So that's all you need for making the pizza dough, because today, yes, we are going to make the pizza. And also from Amazon I bought these pizza slices because we want to make the pizza slice. But if it's not, you can also use something like this, super circle, just something really easy. And then, of course, a pan to warm up everything, because I'm going to teach you right now what to do in the process. Okay, the first thing that you're gonna do here is just find it something like that, and then put the KUZU. Like you can see, it comes with like stones, but this one easily breaks. We want to go ahead and push this till it breaks. So I want to make sure you make this right, because it took me a few weeks to make this properly. Like you can see now, it's in the water, and now we go ahead and we add the potato starch. So once it's everything together, let's go ahead and let's turn it on. You don't put it at max temperature, just put it at, I'm gonna put it at number 8. This one goes to 10. And now let's go ahead and let's add directly the water. Whistle a little bit, then go ahead. Done. So from this moment, guys, go ahead and keep moving. We have to do this until the water starts to bubbling. Now, we just wanna wait that the water starts to bubbling. So usually it's gonna take probably a few minutes, you know. Make sure it's not too hot, okay? So I'm lower down a little bit. Like you can see, already starts to smoke. This electric stove here is insane, eh? It's fast. It's really important to move the water all the time, otherwise it's gonna stick on the pan. Adios amigos.
A few moments later.
See, take a look how it's becoming much more clear. The difference from the beginning, like the beginning was much more white. And now, by cooking it, it's becoming like crystal clear. And don't worry about if you go the opposite side, because nothing is gonna happen. So let's give it a little check if it starts to bubbling. See? Now that it starts to bubbling, we wanna wait about maybe another minute or so, just 1 minute and 30 seconds, and that's ready. Okay guys, 2 minutes. After it was boiling, it's done, and take it out from the heat. Let it cool down a little bit, just slightly. Turn it off this. Just keep going until you don't see no more bubbles. Okay, now one step super important, to have a scale. This one is cooling down. In the meantime, no more bubbles. So for now, go ahead, put the form, put there. Make sure, this is very important. For this side, I'm gonna go ahead and use 46 grams of mixer. I want to call this dough. So go ahead, 46. 50, it's fine, you know. 4 grams is not going to make a huge difference. So go ahead, tear again, and that's how you go. Okay, guys, we finished this form. Now keep turning here. the dough here is becoming much more clear, gently. Now for this form here, which is the most useful, like for the cupcake, you're gonna go ahead, and the minimum you can do here is 36 grams. So we go ahead and put 36 grams in each cupcake. This one doesn't go, it goes for 5. So I'm gonna stop here at 35. Okay guys, the dough, it's ready. Go ahead and transfer this. Now, we don't need any more. So now, right away, come with me. I want to show you. I'm not gonna cook this in this oven because my oven here doesn't have the ventilation option, because you need to have a ventilation option. So let's go ahead and let's put this in the oven. Follow me, follow me. Here we go. So go ahead, set the temperature at 160 Celsius for 1 hour, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the second step. Here we go, guys, ready. So now we're gonna go ahead again. We have to set the temperature to 120, boom, and then we cook it for another 1 hour. So let's go ahead, boom. Here we go, guys. The dough super clear. It's ready. Like you can see, this one I flat out a little bit because this is not really perfect to make this kind of things. And this one come out perfect besides this one, because I show you this because I did this in purpose. I did so many try and then they didn't come out right. But the perfect way is this one. That's the perfect, it come out perfectly. Like you can see, it's like a pocket, but we can also use those, so we don't waste it. We want to make a pizza shape. Be careful because it's super thin, super crunchy. Before completing this pizza, we're gonna go ahead and put this on the side, and then I have some brush with vegetables oil. Let's go ahead and let's make some preparation, because this pizza is gonna be made with tartufata, cream of truffle, some special cheese, which is taleggio cheese, and then we have some good bacon. And the good thing is of this dough, there is good even if it's sitting there and then it's cold. So let's go ahead, let's make this bacon. Wow, smells good. Bacon goes really good for anything, especially on this pizza. Okay, here we go. Bacon, it's lovely ready. I'm gonna put it in the paper. Just a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Bacon is done. Turn it off this. So let's go ahead, easily, gentle, try to take it out perfectly. So go ahead and place it down there. I'm gonna go ahead with a little brush of veggie oil. Go ahead and brush it down this way. It becomes much more clear and shiny. Voila. Here we go, guys. We plated, and then we're gonna make a pizza right here, salty, and a dessert. Believe it or not, but yes, this is the perfect way how they come out. See, they're nice, full, but still also those are really good. They come out really good, and then perfect because it's nice and flat, so you can put all the ingredients that you want. So let's go ahead. Let's finish up this pizza with a nice truffle pesto. Like you can see, I'm putting just a little bit lightly. You wanna have a nice, perfect combine of ingredients, balance of ingredients. So don't put too much of truffle. So this is perfect to shock the people. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of basil, just this is just to show up. To show off, you know what I mean? Done with that, then we go ahead and we put the bacon, my favorite part of the bacon. Now the taleggio, take off the skin, then we grab a nice piece of cheese like that. You don't want to put too much, just a little bit, because I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do now. And then the flavor of taleggio is really strong too. Okay, we are almost done. Final touch, guys, the transparent pizza, it's ready. I really want to shock you today. Here we go. Here we go, we got some flame. So guys, we are going with this flame to melt the cheese on top of this, but gently, because it's gonna go ahead and melt it. So go ahead, just lightly, see? Give it a little smoke taste, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Be careful. Woo, woo. This one is gonna give a smoky taste. Trust me. Close it. Something like that. I got everything on Amazon, guys. I spent less than $100, including the smoke machine. So let's go ahead. Now it's time to make the magic happen. We wait. Here we go. Here we go. Done. Make sure you close. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Boom, guys. Wow, it's nice and smoky. That's what I'm talking about. You see the smoke is coming out from outside the pizza. The little smoky, little bit burnt ends. Insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this for a little bit. I'm gonna keep a little bit of smoke inside to give it a little smoky taste. And then we're gonna go ahead and prepare the dessert before. Here we go. So now let's give a space to the dessert. I'm gonna put some Nutella on top, and it needs to be melted because you cannot touch it. Don't put too much Nutella, otherwise you're gonna mess it up. I'm gonna put some whipping cream on top, and then we put some granella of pistachio. A little bit of walnuts on top, just to give a nice, good looking. And guys, voila. Get a nice shot here. Okay guys, the moment of the presentation. So this is how we go to the table and we do the show, basically. We put a little bit of smoke here and then even the dessert. Voila. So we go to the table and boom, voila guys, pizza and cupcake. By Maestro Vito Iacopelli, it's time to taste. Let's not waste the time anymore. Let's go ahead. Let's taste. I want to show you what I think of this pizza. The honest review. Grab a slice. Ready? Let's go. One bite. It's crunchy.
Not soft.
Not soft. Wow. The taste is insane, actually. Really, really good. Shocking. You need to try this at home. It's really easy. Try. Make sure you have the oven ventilated and follow the steps. Let's go ahead. Let's taste the dessert one. Still have some smoke inside. Ready? We're gonna go with one bite. I don't know if I can do 2 bites. Yeah, I can actually do it. Wow. Wow. Yeah, wow, guys. Wow. Go ahead, do this again. Guys, I see you every week with a new video. Tell me your crazy idea in comments and then I will do it again. Yes, I will do it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao guys, I'm gonna go ahead and eat it all. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it all. Assaggia. Tutto in bocca, vai, riprendi.
Ah.
Tutto in bocca, vai.
Tutto in bocca, non riesco.
Tutto in bocca, dai. Ok, com'è? Tutto, pure quello, vai. It's crunchy, not soft. How is it? Taste this one.
Ma io volevo l'altro salato.
That's for me. Taste that one.
No, io voglio quello.
Sta qua, ti. Vai. Cupcake dessert. Dai, don't be shy. Com'è? Top class. Well, after this, guys, thumbs up and subscribe, right?